Evening and welcome to another Toolbox Tour video, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing this Halfords modular tray set. So this is the 8-piece file set, and it lists all the types of files I've got. I don't really have many files, so I thought it'd be a useful addition. So I've got 200mm files in flat, square, triangle, round and half round, and 115mm mini files in flat, round, taper and half round taper. And it just says modular tray, and there's the dimensions, and it's just a bit hard to show you. Nothing special outside, so I'll flip it over and there it shows you the different files there are. So I'll just set you up and then we'll get this box opened. So I just need to get this cellophane packing off. I've got my trusty flip knife, so I'll just nick it somewhere and I can pull away this cellophane. We'll get this box opened. The beauty of this is, you know, it's a foam tray. You've got a foam tray with your tools in and your box. Less packaging, which is good for the environment. And what packaging there is can be recycled, so we've got to recycle where possible. And the waste is the cellophane, which is good do. So we'll have a closer look at these. So we've got our, looks like our 200mm, and that's your flat one. The Halfords Advanced logo on it. It's quite sturdy. As is the triangle one. There's your triangle one. Nice triangle one. Feels really sturdy. Quality made tool. And then there's our half round. Obviously it's got a flat side, a round side, but it's something I don't have many of. So I think the rest of these are 200mm. There's 5 of the 200mm and 3 of the 115mm. That's your square file. And lastly, on the 200mm is your round file. So quite a good selection of files there. And these are the 3, handy for something a bit smaller. So, you know, if you need something a little bit smaller, it's a nice flat one. And then we have the half round, semicircular, whatever you want to call it. So another small one, and the last small one is your round one. So that's basically it. It's nice. And these new trays have got, it's like a foam rather than the plastic, so they seem to be upping the game to Halfords. So the next thing to do is find a home for these in my tool chest. So I'm actually running out of drawer space, so what I've had to do with this bottom one, I've had to move some stuff out of here so I can make room, and I'll probably have to find somewhere else for all these sockets. These are my old like socket sets, and I've got the big socket, so what I'll do is I'll put this in there. File set, you can go in there. And then I'm gonna, you know, next modular tray set, I'm gonna find somewhere for that. Anyway, but that's where I'm gonna put that one. The tools are building up nicely. Unfortunately, I'm gonna be running out of space. So that's basically the end of this video. It's a quick one. So that's it for this particular video. A bit short, yeah, but it was a quick tool review. Probably won't get a chance to use them in anger just yet, but I needed some more files, so I thought it was time to get the modular tray set, and it'll last me a lifetime. So in the next video I'll be reviewing this one, this clip pliers set, so you'll see that in the next toolbox video. So, hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell and you get notified when my videos is out. Questions and comments, you know where to put them as ever. Thanks for watching and I'll see you there.